students, greetings for the day from Umadevi Children's Academy. This is Vikas Gupta, your class 7th computer teacher. So today we are going to start the session 2 of 2 of our chapter number 3, formulas and functions. So in this session we will learn about cell reference of another worksheet, formulas, errors, functions, common functions, function library and managing worksheet. So before we start, let's ensure that are you sitting in a quiet place, are you in the proper network, are you having the stationery with you, have you put your cell phone in landscape mode, and are you wearing headphones. So now let's start. Dear students, now we are going to start from cell reference of another worksheet. So dear students, now we will learn using copy paste option. Look at here. Firstly, like if we need this formula equal to sum B2 to B7, this we need to copy to sheet number 2. Okay, we want to use this formula, we will use this cell reference. Like this one cell we will do copy, control C. We have copied it. Look at here, it is highlighted. Now in the sheet number 2, this formula, okay, it is in the B8. This formula we are clicking and pasting here. Paste it in B8 of sheet 2. So look at here. Now we have got the sum of this salary. Okay, from B2 to B7 we have got the sum, and this sum formula we have copied from sheet number 1. Okay, so using cell reference we can solve the formula. We can use the formulas in another sheet. Okay, so this we have learned cell reference of another worksheet using copy paste option. Now next is using sheet reference. So look at here, it uses sheet number, exclamation mark and cell address. So look at here, I will tell you how to use the cell reference of another worksheet. Look at here. So using sheet reference. Okay, so look at here. This is sheet number 1, this is sheet number 2. Okay, so dear students, now what we have to do? So what we have to do, we have to click on cell numbers, cell C2 of sheet 2. Then we will type this formula equal to B2 plus sheet 1 exclamation mark D2. Okay, to add the incentive amount from the cell D2 of sheet 1 to the salary in the cell B2 of sheet 2. So we will press the enter key. So look at here, in C2 we will write here equal to B2 plus sheet 1 exclamation mark D2. Okay, now look at here, we will do enter and then we will press enter. So look at here, this we have got here in C2. So you can calculate the total salary of other cells by dragging the mouse pointer to the rest of the cells when the pointer changes to plus symbol. Like this, when pointer changes to plus symbol, we can drag it downside and we can get the total salary. Okay, so now formulas errors. In Microsoft Excel, if any formula is entered incorrectly, then Excel displays an error message instead of the value and assists you in identifying and fixing the problem. Some of the common errors along with their possible reasons are listed below. So dear students, look at here, these errors you will read and you will understand about them. Everything is written about them. Okay, so you will pause the video, read them, and then after reading you will play the video. So pause the video and read. So dear students, I hope you have read them. Now we will read about functions. Functions are the pre-designed formulas in Excel to perform both simple and complex calculation. They save time and eliminate the chance to write wrong formulas. They accept arguments and return values. Arguments are the input values to functions upon upon which calculations are performed to find out the final result. These values can be numbers, text, etc. and are enclosed within parentheses. Functions begin with the equal to sign followed by the function name and then the list of arguments separated by comma within the parentheses. Look at here. One example is given here. Equal to function name, parenthesis, argument 1 comma argument 2 dot 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 parenthesis close. So like this we can get the function. Okay, so rules to enter a function. These are some rules to enter a function. All Excel functions must begin with equal to sign. Function's name must be a valid Excel name. For example, sum, average. Okay, function name must be followed by an opening and closing parenthesis. Like look at here, opening parenthesis and closing parenthesis. Arguments are enclosed in the parenthesis. For example, equal to sum, then parenthesis, open the parenthesis and we have written the range A1 to A5, then we have closed the parenthesis. So these are the rules to enter a functions. Okay, so now common functions. There are some common functions in MS Excel. Look at here, auto sum, sum and average. So first one is auto sum. The auto sum function, besides being the common and the fastest way to find out the total of the given numbers in a range, also provides option to find the average, count, max, min, etc. So you can find this option in two places. First one in the editing group of the home tab and second one in the function library group of the formulas tab. So I am showing you, look at here, first one in home tab, editing group. In home tab, in the editing group, look at here, we have got auto sum button. Okay, auto sum formula we have got here. And second one is in the formulas tab, function library group. In the formulas tab and function library group, look at here, auto sum. Okay, so two places, in the two places we have got auto sum. Now sum, the sum function returns the total of the range values. Let's use this feature to calculate the total of the mark obtained by Anuj. So we will solve. Okay, we have entered the data. Look at here, I have entered the data in one sheet, this one. Okay, so in this sheet we have to click on cell E6 where we want to place the total of the marks. Okay, then we will click on auto sum option present in the editing group of the home tab that I have told you. Look in E6, look at in the reference E5, E6. So it is E6. Now we will click on the auto sum button that we have that we get in home tab and editing group. We will click on auto sum. Look at here, we have got the sum formula and we are getting the formula here. So we will click on auto sum. Look at here. So in E6, firstly we will click on home tab, then we will click on in the editing group, we will click on auto sum. Now we have got the formula equal to sum and the range is the C6 to D6. Okay, so like this we can use auto sum. Now a dashed border appears and cell C6 throws D6 and Excel automatically enters the formula. Okay, I have shown you the formula sum. Now we will press enter. We have got the sum of the marks of Anuj. Okay, now average. The average function returns the average of the range values. The average function returns the average of the range values. The arguments can be a range of cells, numbers or numbers along with the cell references. Using the worksheet shown in figure 3.13, let us calculate the average of marks obtained by Anuj. So the same sheet we have opened. Now we will find the average marks obtained by Anuj. So what we have to do? simply we will click on F6. Okay, then we will type equal to sign and we will write the function average. Then we will put the opening parenthesis, and then in the C6 through D6 we will define the range. Then we will close the parenthesis and we will press enter key. So look at here, I have explained you. Now we are going to do it. So we will write here equal to average open parenthesis, select the range C2 through C6 to D6, then close the parenthesis and press enter. We have got the average marks obtained by Anuj. Okay, so dear students, now we are going to find max. Okay, maximum. So it is used to find the largest value in the given range. So we will click on the cell F4 and type max B4 to E4. So from B4 to E4 we will get the maximum value. Okay, so look at here. In F4, so in F4 we will get the maximum value. Okay, so I am writing in F4, F2, F3, F4. Look at here, cell reference is F4. Now here what we have to do, I have told you that we will write this formula and we will get the maximum, we will get the largest value, okay, in the given range. So equal to max and the range will be B4 to E4, equal to max and the range will be B4 to E4 and parenthesis close. Now enter. So the largest value is 1005. So the largest value is 1500 in this given range. Okay, now next one is the tip is given here. Similarly, this function, min function, find the lowest value in the range. Okay, and will count the number of elements like numbers, formulas and dates. So I'll show you. Wait, we are going to find in this range, we are going to find min. So we have write min parenthesis, range is B5 to E5 parenthesis closed, enter. So look at here, the lowest value is which one? Look at in this range, look at this. So lowest value is 150. Okay, so now count, I am showing you count. We have clicked here equal count, count parenthesis, selected the range from B6 to E6 parenthesis closed. Now enter. So how many numbers, letters, or how many number of elements like numbers, formulas and dates are written here? How many? 4. Look at here, I have selected the range from here to here. So look at here, 1 2 3 4. So we have got 4 here. Okay, so next one is today. It is used to display the current date. Okay, look at here, I am telling you today. So the formula I am writing here equal to I am writing the formula TODAY parenthesis open and close, enter. So date is written here, look at here. Now next one, we can use the today function that will display the current date in the select cell. Similarly, you can insert the current day, month and year also. Okay, for writing month we will use this formula, equal to month parenthesis today, okay, parenthesis. For year we will use this formula. So like this, the formulas are written here. So we can write month, year, day and particular text. Okay, so the functions are given here. Look at this, sum, average, odd, int, okay, product, round, exp, squirt, power and mod. So all the functions and their purpose are written here. So you will read them and you can use them in MS Excel. Okay. So next one is function library. Function library. There are many functions defined in Excel and it is beyond the capacity of a person to remember the name and functionality of each of them. To overcome it, Excel has clubbed all the functions in the function library group of formulas tab. Here the functions are categorized by their functionality like math and trigonometry, text, date and time, etc. You can click on a category to browse its functions. So inserting, how to insert function. The insert function is one of the option in the function library group which helps us in creating a formula. Let us explore this option. We will click on the cell in which we want to enter a formula. Then we will click on the insert function button present on the formula tab. So look at here, like here I need to enter the formula. So we will click on the formulas tab and insert functions button in function library group. Now what we have to do, look at here, we will click on insert function button present on the formula bar. Okay. So we can click on the insert function button present on the formula bar. Look at here. Here in the formula bar, look at here, in the formula bar we can click on the function button directly. Okay, two ways are there. We can click on formulas tab, then in function library group we will click on insert function, or we can directly click on the function button in formula bar. Okay, so two ways are there to enter a formula. Now we will either of these will launch the insert function dialog with an equal to sign. Okay, equal is placed in the cell. So look at here, we can search any formula, like I want to find max. So I will search here max. Okay, so we have got the formula max here. Okay, like this. There are some categories given, we can select from here. Okay, we need not to search here if we want to search from this category. Okay, so like I want to use sum formula, so I have clicked here and I have got sum. So range is given here, I'll click enter. Okay, so dear students, now we will learn about managing worksheet. We have to learn about so now I will tell you about renaming a worksheet and deleting a worksheet. Okay, so look at here, it is very easy. Like I want to delete this third one sheet. I have made this sheet, its name is written here A. So I firstly will click on this sheet name and we will right click here. We can click on rename, so we can rename it. Like I want to give it name sheet 3, SHEET 3. So I have given this sheet name 3. Okay, sheet 3. Now we want to delete, so we can do right click on the sheet name and we can press delete. So we will click on delete if you want to delete it. We have deleted it. Look at here. Now dear students, so next is changing color of a sheet tab. So we will right click on the sheet tab and then select the tab color from the shortcut menu. Look at here, same, we can click on sheet tab, we will click on right, we will do right click here, then we will click tab color and we can give any tab color to this sheet name, like I have given here it red. So dear students, this is the end of the chapter number 3. So your homework is solve exercises question number A, B, C and D in your book, page number 35 and 36. and this homework you will complete till the next video come. Okay, and the question number E solutions you will get along with the video. Okay, these question answers shall be noted in the notebook. Like in the previous year, previous classes, we have used to write the question answer in notebook, and exercises we have to solve in book. Okay, so these question answer you can complete till the next chapter is completed, but the exercises you have to complete till the next video comes. Okay, so dear students, I wish you all the best. Bye bye.